So today let's talk about this situation. I'm within the 1-day booking period. It's not a blackout date like these 2 dates are, but the one nonstop flight is not available for Go Wild. Well, besides we've covered in the terms and conditions that the Go Wild is limited seats and limited availability, this is kind of a blessing in disguise for you. Just because you can buy the discount and standard doesn't mean you're going to get on the flight. All airlines oversell their flights, and odds are that's what's happening right here. And if you get to that airport and you don't have an assigned seat, either from your elite status, from purchasing a seat, or from being one of the first ones to check in, there's a good chance you're going to be bumped. Doesn't matter if you bought your ticket with Go Wild, discount, or standard. If you don't have an assigned seat at the airport, you're going to be the first ones to be bumped to a different flight. So seeing this and going, hey, I can make other arrangements right now from my home or hotel room really is a blessing in disguise and saves you the hassle of doing all of that at the airport. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has helped you. Hit the like, subscribe, and little bell notification button so that you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. And it also really helps me out, guys, so I really appreciate it so that I can make more videos for you so we can travel like we're bougie without the bougie costs. Now get out there and go wild.